everybody, here with Bob. We're back at the build site. It's been some time. I actually
Yes.
I actually was walking down what seemed to be about 2 weeks ago to take some footage, and literally have been caught up with work ever since. So I'm just now getting a chance to come down here and see everything that's been done. So clearly all of the walls are up in the house. I don't know if I've even gone around to do all of that footage, but we also have our loft put up, which is amazing. Bob, do you want to talk a little bit about what we're seeing here?
Yes, this is the loft, which extends over the mudroom. The mudroom we have just started the walls for, right down here. And then the kitchen on the other side will be open. No wall across that. That's why we put a reinforced beam across that span.
Yep.
But then on top of that goes the metal to support the concrete floor. And that is supported by all of the cross beams that we welded in. So the perimeter is welded to the columns which come up from the foundation. Then the cross beams are welded to those. And the metal sits on top, and the concrete gets poured on top of the metal.
Here we go. Looks good. The walls are going up even higher here. Looks to be...
That's finished height of...
Right here is finished height?
Of the walls.
Okay.
And I don't know if you can see it, probably not on the video, but there's a string up there which will be the roof line, showing how much space and height there will be.
Okay. So some high ceilings here, as you can see. Yeah.
Yeah, high enough that there will be another door right above the hallway that goes in for the second story.
We've got the nice little arch here. Sweet. And then we're gonna do stairs straight ahead here to get up to the second story.
Yeah, the stairs will drop down right where
here.
the scaffolding is right now.
Yep. Then there'll be a landing up top. And then at first we're gonna leave it just a door that leads outside, but eventually it'll be a second story with some extra bedrooms and a living space. So here we are looking at the breaker box. So what are we looking at here, Bob?
This is the breaker box for the house, but it doubles as a distribution box with the bus bars at the top where the power comes in. And then without passing through breakers, it will also go to other sites, over to the pump house and whatever else you want them for.
Yeah, I like it. And just one other thing to note, we are gonna come off the second story here about 50 centimeters over the bedrooms. And so that'll widen the second floor, giving us a little bit more space up there. And also will provide a little bit of cover, I suppose, here. But yeah, that's why these beams are coming out the side. And look forward to showing you more about that later.